gotta go explore this abandoned mall. Since I'm... What the heck was that? Well, I don't know and I don't care. Oh, we're finally in the mall. So abandoned. Hey, what's that? I'll just... This could be coming in handy. I'm scared, bro. Maybe I should leave. Oh, what was that? I don't know. Ah, it's a P Foundation. There's this cartoon-looking cat. Please come to the abandoned mall on West Street. Hi, that did anything? Did that even do anything? Let me just go suit up. I'll be right back. Okay, cartoon cat. Stop. That's weak. He should be passed out for a little while. He can regenerate. Plus, he has immortality, so good luck. No. I'm finally at home. No!